Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. So, a couple of things today. We're going to start on a positive note. Positive note being I found a bunch of books and magazines that I don't need, so they're going to be given away. What do we have here? Well, I'm glad you asked. We've got the Lathe Handbook. Well, the Lathe book. Doesn't say handbook, it says Lathe book. You know. Well, you know what I mean. By Ernie Conover, that's a great book. David Charlesworth, Furniture Making Techniques. I've got some wood magazines, a whole bunch of them. Okay, that is, I think it was actually originally from Better Homes and Gardens. Yep, Better Homes and Gardens, wood. And then we've got some of the popular woodworking. Got a few of those. And even one of the American Wood Turner. That's a publication that comes from the American Association of Wood Turners. Great, great periodical and organization. Then, of course, there's fine woodworking. I got a bunch of those. So these will all get added to the mix. These are going to get given away. I'll probably put these in one package to one person. And that way they can go media mail, which is not horrendously expensive. So we'll get that out. And the books can go with that as well. That'll be one gift to one lucky patron. Now, on the other side of this great tool giveaway is the fact that I can't get it going yet. A few of you have graciously supported me and the channel with a cash donation, and that is greatly appreciated. That'll help cover some of the postage in getting these things out. We only picked up one patron over at Patreon. So, I'm guessing that the question is, what is Patreon and how does it work? Simply put, the most simplistic answer is, it is a crowdfunding type of no, it's not even crowdfunding. It is a place where you go and you buy me a cup of coffee each month, $1 or $2 each month. And that money comes into a pool, and then that pool comes into me. That's one way that we were collecting money and names to give these tools away. I will leave a link to Patreon, their website, their YouTube channel, and even maybe a link to a video explaining what Patreon is. And also in the description box, you will still find my address, my email address, and any way that you can help support will get your name into the mix so that when we do start giving away these tools, you have a chance at some of these great tools. And please, people, the pile is huge that I have to give away. And I can't ship a darn thing without money. Those of you who have had sent cash, that'll help with the postage on the first few items. But the bigger items, like the longer hand planes, if I have to ship one to, let's say, California or Oregon, Washington State, they cost like $40 to ship because they do not fit in a flat rate box. So that's about it. I want to really thank you all for stopping by. I want to thank you for the support, and I want to encourage you to ask questions. Write them in the comments section. Ask questions about techniques, woods, tools, finishing. Oh, good golly, I could start a whole new channel just on wood finishing, the old methods and the new, and what works and what doesn't, and why you would use one finish instead of another if you want the piece to be an heirloom, or if it's just something to make cash quick and somebody will throw it away in 10 years. So that's about it. And hey, don't forget, go out to your shop and make some shavings. Walter out.